All right, so I'm done shampooing my hair and we're just going to do our deep conditioning treatment now. Most times, what I do if I have a lot of time at hand, I would usually do a deep conditioning mask, and then after rinsing off the deep conditioning mask, I will go in with a rinse of conditioner as well. But if I don't have enough time, I just focus on doing a deep conditioning mask. And today, this is the one I'm using from Incento. To be honest, this is the first time I'm using this one. Every single time I go back to the store, I'm always seeing something different, something new. This argan oil one is like my all-time favorite. It's very nice. So I have a bit, but I'm not sure it's going to go through my entire head of hair. So let's use this one. Whenever I go to the stores, I keep seeing new things. Since the last time I bought this particular one, I haven't seen this one again. So let's just use this one. So this is what my hair is looking like after shampooing my hair. And I used Dove Nourishing. I'm going to put the picture big. Let me not give the shampoo name that it does not have. But anyways, it actually did leave my hair super soft. I've never used any other shampoo aside from the CN anti-dandruff shampoo because I know my scalp is prone to dandruff and all of that. So I always stick with that one. But however, today I used the Dove shampoo and it's amazing. See how soft it left my hair. Super good. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this generously to each section of my hair. I might end up using from the Incento, to be honest, because this argan oil hydrating hair mask is not a lot. So I was absolutely right when I said this wasn't going to go around my entire head of hair. I have cleaned and cleaned and I'm still trying to clean, and no matter how hard I clean this container, it's still not going to go around my entire head of hair. I still have a few more sections to go. So yeah, we're going to go into the Incento to use Incento. Okay, consistency of this Incento is absolutely too light, too light. I'm not used to this kind of conditioner. I usually go for a deep and thicker conditioner. The other one I used the other day from Herbal Essence. Why did I say Essence? Herbal Essence. I also checked for it, but it was not available in store. Ah, God, sometimes I don't even know. Should I now just be buying conditioners when I don't need them? I don't know, because whenever I go into the store, I just do not find what I'm looking for. I like conditioners that are really thick because I think those are the kind of conditioners that can deeply penetrate our type 4 hair. But sometimes it's hard to find. Anyways, that's fine. Already using this one, so let's just use it. I have like two more strands left, so I'm exactly not using it for a lot of strands. But I've also not applied any conditioner to my nape areas as well, so that's going to make me use quite a lot from this one. But even if I use it today, I don't use it today, I'm still going to use it because who is not going to use it for me? I'm still going to use it one day because I already bought this and I'm not about to let my money waste. So let's just use it anyway. So apply this generously. One thing with applying conditioners to your hair, you don't want to apply it as if you are being stingy with it. I don't want to say you are stingy with it, but as if you are being stingy with it. You don't want to apply conditioners like that to your hair. You want to generously apply conditioners to your hair. This thing is smelling like there is petroleum jelly kind of ingredients inside this. It's just not smelling nice. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to just apply this to my hair. It says leave for 3 to 5 minutes, but I usually leave my conditioning marks in for more than that. So definitely I'm going to be leaving it in for more than that. How long should you leave your deep conditioning mask in for? I would say leave it in for 30 minutes minimum and an hour maximum. What you're going to get in 1 hour, you're still going to get it in 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to an hour is absolutely fine. Except if you got really busy and then you are leaving it in for more than that. But it's absolutely not needed to actually leave it in for more than that 1 hour. Next thing I'm going to do is just grab all the sections of my hair, put them in a twist like so, just so that they can all stay together really, not for anything big or serious. So I can see my edges, put good amount of product around my edges. Sometimes we apply treatments to our hair and we forget the edges. You don't want to do like that. Don't be doing like that. Don't forget your edges. So once you're done, get some of your product, apply to your edges. Your edges become more visible, when you can hold your hair in place like this. So apply product to your edges. Not just edges, the roots as well. Product to the roots of your hair. Like this, it's your nape area. So you want to put products on it as well to make sure that every single part of your hair is getting enough products, and also the ends of your hair. You want to make sure that the ends of your hair is getting enough product as well, because this is the oldest part of your hair. So that's why when you're applying products to your hair, which is this ends, you want to apply generously. Okay, so now that that is all done, I'm going to get plastic cap, a big shower cap. Let's go and get our own. Next thing is to grab a plastic cap like this. If you don't have a plastic cap, you can use a plastic bag. You can use anything, absolutely anything. Chook your hair inside, as you can see me doing, or as you can see that I have done. And then once that is done, you're going to grab a steaming cap like this one. If you don't have this one, you can use the electric steaming cap. If you don't have either of them, you can just use your bonnet, put it over your hair like this, wrap towels on your head. Like this is what I used to do before I got a steaming cap. So keep wrapping and wrapping. All of this is just to generate heat so that your hair can actually absorb a lot of moisture. Okay, careful, 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 careful. There you go. Can you see this? So if you don't have this, you definitely have towels, you have a bonnet or a scarf or anything that you can use to wrap your hair. If you also do not have a plastic cap, you can use a plastic bag as well. I remember back then in school I used to use plastic bags. Anything to help you trap some heat in there will be very good. But I have this, so let's take all of this down. I hope I've been able to help somebody who do not have a steaming cap, with an idea to use. Okay, so now just grab your steaming cap. If you have the electric steaming cap, good and fine. If you don't have that one, you have a blow dryer, you can use this one as well. Take your ears out though, don't cover your ears inside, and then press this down like so. And then tie this. Don't want to tie it like you are fighting all your village people. Just tie it gently, and that is it. Bring this tail, I don't know if to call this tail, but bring these parts to the front. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to grab a blow dryer like this. So you need to have light though, there has to be electricity. Plug it to electricity, turn it on, but do not put it in the highest heat setting. Use the lowest or the medium heating setting. Okay, so put this in here like this. This is what I do. Put it in here like this, and you don't want to hold it like this. Just sharp put it in there and then start your dryer. Give this 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is too much. 5 minutes is absolutely fine. You can take it all off. I'm going to turn it off now. I only kept this in for about 2 minutes. Now, when I say 5 minutes, you are just using about 2 minutes to put the heat onto your head, and you can keep the cap on for about 3 more minutes to make it 5 minutes. And then once that is done, you can leave the marks on your hair for like 30 minutes before you go and wash it off. And when you're washing it off, you might want to detangle again, but you're not doing a lot with detangling this time because your hair is not so matted at this point. Or if you like, don't even detangle again till when you want to start style your hair. It is absolutely fine, whichever one you choose to do. Personally, I choose to just detangle when I'm about styling the hair, not when I'm rinsing off this from my hair. Now, when you're rinsing off your deep conditioning marks, you don't want to put shampoo over your hair again. It's not needed. You have already clarified your hair. And you want to strip the hair of all the moisture that you've given to it. No, you don't want that. So just rinse it off and then come and start styling your hair if you so desire. And that's it basically for deep conditioning treatment. Okay, ciao ciao.